Hi, how are you going on?
I'm fine. I'm fine here.
I'm also fine, thank you. Okay, so the objectives of today's meeting is just I am already working on the website part, but in the bazaar, the second part of the website, the ticketing platforms, we need to put our Google Tag Manager. I have
Okay.
I have investigated that and I found that another Google Tag Manager is placed on the bazaar platforms.
hmm
And right now,
Yes, because this is not managed by us. It's managed by our co-producer, which is called Bozar.
yeah, I understand this is a third party, but do we have any access in our landing page, our checkout process? Maybe yes.
Uh, what would that mean? And I can contact the website builder of Bozar and ask them if they can do it.
Okay.
Um,
Okay, so I think I should send you an email in details
mhm.
requirement. That will be very helpful.
Yeah, great. Then I can ask them to install it. Usually they react quite
Yeah,
fast. So it's,
yeah, exactly. That will be helpful. Okay, then I will make ready my email and I will
Mhm.
send you a message in the fiber. You can copy and
Yep.
forward that.
Okay.
The mail will contain mainly the information that we need to track the checkout process from our side also. How many people visiting
Mhm.
the website, how many people doing add to cart, begin checkout, how many successful purchase, how many bounce rate, how many
Yep.
people do everything but have not purchased. So we
Yep.
need those information because we are going to run advertising, and in the
Mhm.
advertising funnel a lot of people need to be retarget.
Yep.
Okay,
Okay, great.
so I will make that mail and I will send you within today. It's my evening. I was going outside, but I think that it's very important so that we can have a quick talk. That's why we are here. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay.
So this is the requirement from me right now, and in the website, let me show you 1 second.
Mhm.
Running jobs, National Orchestra BE. Okay, I'm going to share my computer screen.
Mhm.
Okay, in this website, when people will scroll down and spend some times, we have a form. Support us. This is important button click. This is calendar. Okay, then it's fine. If we go to the, we have an iframe form in our website, but right now I cannot see it.
For newsletter to form to fill in to
Subscription.
subscribe to the newsletter, you mean?
Subscription, yes. Subscription area.
Uh,
Create your own
yes, that
subscription.
will be at the bottom. No, if you go to the bottom of the page of the website, and here, just above, subscribe to the newsletter.
Yeah. So this is an iframe.
Mm-hmm.
This is an iframe. It's completely another third party things. I have
Mm-hmm.
inspected it. The backend is completely different rather than of our website. So
Mm-hmm.
we need to set up the conversion tracking for that iframe interaction also. And
Okay.
for this, we need to observe the form and we need to put our Google Tag Manager after logging in with this iframe, so that when we do the debug mode, when we do the preview mode, this iframe
Mm-hmm.
website is connected to the Google Tag Manager, but the iframe should be also connected. And
Okay.
iframe is working as a completely different website.
Yes.
So we need to put the Google Tag Manager to the iframe backend also, so that we can get all the
Mm-hmm.
information in our Google Tag Manager from iframe.
Okay.
And
And
then
how should I do that?
very simple. I think you have a different login of that iframe,
Yes.
and in the setting area of that iframe, I think I should help you in another day in
Okay.
a meeting.
I can access easily, but if you want to do it another day, that's fine for me as well.
Okay, okay. We should do some work regarding this later, and
Okay.
maybe there is a definitely in the setting option and tracking and analytics area or the script area, we will put a custom JavaScript code, and that code will help us to track this form interaction, and it's also important because this national orchestra be it's completely our website and everything happening in this area, everything happening in the calendar, in the special area, newsletter subscription or any subscription or social media interaction, every single things we will be tracking in the Google Analytics. And in future we will use this information for the advertising performance improvement.
Okay.
Okay.
So you propose to do it next time then?
Yeah, yeah. So right now I have not made ready all those things. We have to make ready some things, then we have to put this code. At first I need to make the code for you. Okay, thank you for your time. What time is it now? I think it's your noon time.
Here it's 20 to 1, so it's almost time for lunch, yes.
Oh, okay, 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 okay. Thank you. Have a great time.
Okay.
I will prepare the mail and forward you in the message.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.